who was working in any department, I was always willing to listen and learn from them. And by the grace of God, I must say that one thing paid off in my life. You have to be open, listen to people, observe people, take their advice where, as and when you feel it's correct. But listening is the most important thing in acting, I feel. Anyway, I went through this whole journey for many years. And I came to a point of life where I had achieved everything. I had wanted recognition, I had won awards, I had made a lot of money, I had traveled the world. Everything that somebody can hope for, I had got. But yet, something within me kept saying that, no, there is more, there's something that you need to do, which you are not doing. And I could never pinpoint it. And then I met my guru. Like he's known as Osho today. In those days he was known as Rajneesh, Bhagwan Rajneesh. And I went into this path of meditation and spirituality, which was there somewhere inside me for a very, very long time, but it had been, usko daba diya tha maine. I didn't like it to surface because my career, everything else was so important. Anyway, this whole journey started, and I used to have a lot of discontent in my work, with my producers, with my directors, with my story writers, with my co-actors. There used to be a lot of conflict. There used to be a lot of, times where I would go home very dissatisfied with my work. And I could never find out why that is there. I got into my work. So I spoke to my guru one day, and I'd like to share this with you. I told him this is what is happening with me, that I cannot work with people that I don't agree with. People whose mind and my mind don't think alike. What should I do? Because I come home very dissatisfied. I go home, I can't sleep till very late. So मैं क्या करूं? I think this is something which all of you will face probably tomorrow. So he gave me a very simple answer which I couldn't understand straight away. उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि देखो विनोद, हर आदमी का एक सेल होता है, हाँ, स्पेस होती है जिसमें उसको फंक्शन करना पड़ता है. तो हर किसी का सेल 5x5 है या 7x7 है या 10x10 है, और you're confined in that space. But to feel free of that space, unless you're total 100% in that space with awareness, you will never be able to be satisfied. तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि तुम जहां भी हो, तुम्हें जो भी काम बोलता है, जो भी तुम्हारा प्रोड्यूसर बोलता है, जितना वाहियात सीन हो, जितना बकवास सीन हो, तुमको बिल्कुल भाता नहीं है, लेकिन तुम वो करो जो वो कह रहे हैं. 100% अपने आप को उसमें डुबो दो. और मुझे लगा कि मैं, because the mind is such a thing that there's so much conflict, करूं नहीं करूं, ये, questions keep coming, you keep fighting. Anyway, I said, let me try this out. And I started doing this. I used to come on the set. And even if I didn't agree with the scene, I didn't agree with so many things that were happening, whether it was production, it was... I just said, मैं बिल्कुल complain नहीं करूंगा, जो मुझे कहते हैं मैं 100% उसमें डूब जाऊंगा. And I swear, I tell you, that changed my entire outlook towards my work. Once I started doing that, but with awareness, वो सारा गुस्सा मेरा, I started loving people, I started accepting him, क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा तुम्हारा जो, उनका भी वही सेल है. अगर तुम्हारा 7x7 का सेल प्रिजन का सेल है तो उनका भी प्रिजन का सेल है। अगर तुम उनके साथ झगड़ा करोगे वो भी घर जाएंगे, वो अपनी बीवी से झगड़ा करेगा, बीवी अपने बच्चों से झगड़ा करेगी, एंड दिस साइकिल कंटिन्यूज एंड नोबडी देन इज हैप्पी। So to be happy, to be satisfied, all you got to do is be 100% in whatever you're doing, no matter how stupid, no matter how much you disagree with it. But do it, but with awareness. ये मैंने करना शुरू किया and I tell you my whole life changed. And I started enjoying my work, my people, my friends, my colleagues in the industry so much. Everything became so heavenly, I must say, that everything changed. And then I suddenly realized that, my God, इतनी सिंपल सी चीज थी और उसको समझने के लिए मुझे इतना समय लगा. I don't know it's so easy for you to understand it today also unless you start doing it. But when this happened to me, my whole life changed. I was content, happy, I was meditating, 6 hours a day, whenever I could find time. In between shots, I would close my makeup room and sit down to meditate. And suddenly, I was a very happy man. And then I went to the Guru again, once in Pune, and he asked me, क्या हो रहा? तो I said, भगवान आपने तो कमाल का मुझे फॉर्मूला दे दिया, मुझे तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है आजकल, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, काम कर रहा हूं, मुझे हर चीज में आनंद आता है. तो he smiled at me and he said, ठीक है, अब आगे देखते हैं क्या होता है. And the next thing I knew is that after having, so nicely settled with my work, that I just felt that I can't miss this opportunity of not being with my Guru physically. So I just decided that I must quit the film industry and be with him. And that's the time I decided, and I spent a few years, I quit the industry, spent a few years with him, went with him to America, came back, finished my journey, and then I told him when I came back that I want to go back and work in the film industry. I want to go back and be with my friends and family. And he was so happy. He said, yes, now you can go back. And I came back, started my work again, started everything. And that whole journey that I went through, I'm the most grateful person. I will always be indebted to my Guru. And of course, Gurus are in all your walks of life. Your director is your Guru, your producer is your Guru, your colleagues are your Gurus, because you learn from everybody. And that's what I said, you must listen and learn, because there's an opportunity to learn from everywhere, from everybody. So, I know it's nothing much that I've shared with you. Unfortunately, Subhashji and me never got to work in a film together as a director and actor, but I must tell you that we've shared more of a relationship than that. And but I always looked forward to be directed by Subhashji. It never happened. And I saw his whole journey also. In fact, when I came, नया जब मैं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आया था, तो मैं एक फिल्म कर रहा था और फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट से बहुत सारे लड़के ग्रेजुएट होके आए थे. उनमें से सुभाष जी भी एक थे. And I was working on a set one day and suddenly my director comes and says कि ये सुभाष घाई हैं और ये रोल कर रहे हैं, कुछ फ्रीडम फाइटर का रोल था, ऐसा कुछ था. And coming from the Film Institute, obviously you've been trained. And Subhashji came and he rattled off this huge passage. कोई freedom fighter की speech वगैरह थी. मैं तो घबरा गया, मैं तो डर गया, क्योंकि मैंने कभी इस तरह का डायलॉग सुना नहीं था. लेकिन मुझे उस वक्त लगा कि यार training is so important. Coming from a background of training, because when you come, you've been taught to face the camera, you've been taught to, how to deliver your lines, you've been taught all these kind of things. And I was so happy to meet him and to learn about the Film Institute, because मुझे नहीं पता था. उसके बाद immediately I did a film called मेरे अपने, in which the entire Film Institute की gang was there. मैं अकेला था, right from Mr. Shatrughan Sinha, my dearest friend, to Danny, to a whole lot of them who graduated and came. और मैं अकेला एक तरफ होता था और ये पूरी Film Institute एक तरफ होती थी. But we all got on famously. We did a great film. We did very well. So I'm really grateful to everybody who's come into my life and from whom I've learned, from whom I've had the opportunity to learn. And I hope that all of you graduates today will keep all this in mind. And the little that I've said will probably also help you in your journey. So thank you once again for this honor. Thank you once again for this. Because, ultimately, it is these kind of recognitions that make you feel that, yes, your efforts have not gone in vain, that you have made a difference in the world. So thank you very much. I'm in politics, as you know. I've been elected 4 times Member of Parliament from the same constituency. मुझे पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में भी कुछ पता नहीं था. मुझे जब ऐसा लगा कि भाई मैंने सब कुछ देख लिया है, अचीव कर लिया है, सब कुछ कमा लिया है, तो अभी मुझे कुछ वापस करना चाहिए अपने लोगों को, अपने फैंस को, अपने चाहने वालों को. The only way I felt that you could do that was to work for the people. And no matter what reputation politics has, please let me tell you, I'm in politics. I used to hate politicians. I used to hate politics. But when I came into Parliament and when I went into my constituency and I saw the halat of the poor people, the downtrodden, politics gives you the greatest opportunity, the biggest platform to work for the upliftment of the poor. And I'm so grateful to the Almighty, to my party, for giving me this opportunity of working for the people. And believe me, it is very satisfying when you see the lives of people changing and becoming better. So we should never leave any aspect of life out. That's what my point was. I mean, we all say politics is dirty, politics is this, politics is that. We have all kinds of peoples in all walks of life. But it's up to you. What advantage you take of that situation, of the opportunity given to you, and make the best of it. So I have led a very fruitful, very satisfying life, and I'm grateful to the Almighty, of course, and all my family, colleagues. My family has been the biggest supporter of mine. My wife Kavita is here, my children are here, Sakshi, Shraddha. I've already got 2 sons in the film industry. I think I was the first person who said yes when Akshay told me that he wants to become an actor. I never came in his way. Rahul wanted to be an actor. I never came in his way. There is no business like show business. That's a fact, because I've seen the entire world. I've seen all kinds of professions. I've seen people successful in all kinds of professions. But the satisfaction, the joy, satisfaction, I mean your soul. I think this is the only industry, this is the only kind of profession that gives you the opportunity to find that peace and love in work. So thank you. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your life. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Vinod Khanna sir, for those wonderful words.